Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter number 6, Be my multiple, I will be your factor. Now on page number 96. Children, today because of weaker network, I was not able to conduct your class. So children, let's see what is there. What can you do for the numbers bigger than 144? Now children, if the numbers are bigger than 1, means if there are bigger numbers, then how to find the factors? There is one method children to find the factors of the bigger number, and that is known as prime factorization or prime factorize. Now children, what is this prime factorize? Now let's suppose take a number 180. Now children, see, this 180 is prime factorized like this. So first table is table of 2. 2 in the table of 2, when 18 comes children, 9s are 90. Now children, again by 2 it will be divided. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. But here it is 9 children. So we will have 2 4s are 8. 1 is remaining to have 9 to become 9. So 1 will be transferred to this next number. Now children, if you will see, you will find that this is 10. Then 2 in the table of 2, when 10 comes, 5s are. Now children, again we will have the next number. The next number is 3. The 3 ones are 3. 1 remaining, so 1 is given to the next number. Now 15 we have children. In the table of 3, when 15 comes, 5s are. Then children, again 3, 5s are. In this we are doing nothing children, but we are dividing this number by this 2. Then again this 90 is divided by 2. Then 45 is divided by 3. In this way we solve this children, and this is known as prime factorized method. Okay children. Now children, you have to practice this such type of method. This is very important in mathematics. Okay children. Now let's come to the next part. Now children, common factors. They are telling you to write the factors of 25 in the red circle and the factors of 35 in the blue circle. Now children, factors of 5 are 1, 5 and 25. And factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now children, they are telling which are the factors you have written in the common part of both the circle. These are common factors of 25 and 35. Now children, if you look here, you find that 1 is common. Then 5 is common. So 1 and 5 are written in this purple part. And the children, these are the common factors of 25 and 35. Now children, they are telling you to write the factors of 40 in the red circle and 60 in the blue circle. Now children, before writing it in the circle, let's see this factors of 40. 2 into 20 will give us 40. 4 into 10 will give us 40. 5 into 8. 8 into 5. 10 into 4 and 1 into 40. So the children, the factors of 40 will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. Understood children? Now we are going to write these factors in a blue circle. Oh sorry, red circle. So children, here I have written 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. Now children, let's find the factors of 60. Now children, again in the one table we have 60. In the table of 2 also there is 60. 2 into 30 will give you 60. Then in table of 3, 3 into 20 will give you 60. In the table of 4, 4 15s are 60. Then in table of 5, 5 12s are 60. Then 6 10s are 60. Then 10 6 are 60. Then 12 5s are 60. 15 4s are 60. 23s are 60. 32s are 60 and 61s are 60. Now children, here the factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. So let's write this in blue circle, children. So I have written here the factors of 60 in this blue part. Now children, let's find the common among these two. See children, here is 1, here is also 1. So we will circle this. This one is common. 2, 2. 2 is again common. 4 is common. 5 is common. Then 10 is common. And then 20 is common. Now children, we will write these common factors in this purple part. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now children, they are asking which is the biggest common factor of 40 and 60. The biggest common factor among 40 and 60 is 20 children. See, among these which is bigger number? 20. So 20 is the biggest common factor and that is known as HCF in mathematical language. What is that known as? HCF. Full form of HCF is children highest, H for highest, C for common, highest common factor. Okay children. Now children, coming to the next page. Now children, factor tree. What is this factor tree children? Look at the factor tree. Now you can make another tree like this. Means what children? See, starting from here, we have to factorize this 18 children. Huh? Now where do you find 18? 9, 2 is 18. Now this cannot be further broken. But 9 can be broken. 3 3s are 9. Similarly children, now see 18. 18 we can have in table of 6, 3. Okay children. Now this again it can be broken. 6 we have in which table children? 2, 3s are 6. Understood? Now children, in how many ways can you draw a factor tree for 24? Draw 3 of them given below. Now children, tell me first in which table we will have 24? 2 12s are 24 or 12 2s are 24. Now children, again this can be broken. 6 2s are 24. Now children, again this can be broken. 2 3s are 6. Like this. Now children, again in which table we have 24? 3 8s are 24. This 3 we don't find in any other table, but 8 we see in the table of 4 and 2. Now 2 we don't see in any table, but 4 we see in the table of 2 and 2. So these are factors tree children. Now see, again 24 we find in which table children? 6 4s are 24. Now again in which table we find 4? 2 2s are 4 and 6 2 3s are 6. So in this way we have made the factor tree of 24 in 3 different ways. Now children, tiling problems we will solve in the next class. Till then, bye children. Have a nice time.